So this side was a little bit of a process too. Time consuming. So as you see, I'm here at the storage right now. I was doing a little maintenance to my car. I did some stuff like tie rods, ball joints, control arm. I did my stabilizer links. A couple things for maintenance. Just finishing up now. Shout out my boy Ravi, helped me out with this. Alright, so my buddy's here. He's just testing it out quickly to see if everything's up to date, up to his par. We're done for the day, as you see. Feels alright?
Yeah, you need the line if it's going to that side.
Yeah. But alright guys, so as we're here, we're just here, we finished everything up. We're just testing out to see if everything's fine. The main reason why I was doing all this is because of this noise right here. If you guys hear it, it's a little cracking noise. I thought it was my ball joint, so I changed my ball joint, but it's still making the noise, and I do not know what it is. I've done a bunch of maintenance on this. I've changed my struts. I changed my my rack and pinion. I changed my ball joints to my in tie rod. I changed a lot of things, and it's still making that noise. So I'm here trying to figure out what it is.
What the fuck is that?
Okay, so we found out the problem.
Do it. Little bit.
It's my control arm.
It's ripped. The boot is ripped right here. Okay.
So you can see how when he switches it.
Okay, stop. Do it again a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Stop.
It's the control arm, yeah?
Yep. Make the wheel straight, please.
At least I know now what it is.
Just bring the remote controller for this side. We'll change that.
What am I? Respects, Ravi. I appreciate all your help. Don't know. I owe you big time. Yeah, I got you one too. But that's it for this video, guys. I did a little maintenance on my car just to get it up to par for my little build part. Stay tuned. More things gonna be involved with this channel. I'm gonna be doing a little more, especially mods when it comes to doing a bunch of mods with my car. My car's gonna be looking fantastic for the summer. Stay tuned and show me some support by clicking that thumbs up, clicking that notification, and subscribe. See you in the next one, Uasquad. Alright guys, so as we're doing in this vlog, what I'm doing is I'm changing out my control arm. As you probably see, this is the next day. It's probably same vlog, but my control arm was bad on that side. I ended up getting the control arm. I'm just putting it in right now. I'm just doing a little maintenance, so when I drop on my coilovers, I have no worries on maintenance I have to worry about. I did everything on this side, so this side's proper. Doing 1, 2 right now. Stay tuned, check it out. Holy! This man got a carbon fiber setup for his spoiler and his sunroof spoiler.
What is something else? I have something else too.
Damn, man. That boss is up in the sun too. In the sun? Man. His whip's looking hard.
Nice and light, bro. It's crazy, bro.
That's nice.
This is where they joined these pieces together. See this?
Oh yeah.
You can tell.
What else did you get? Holy, more carbon fiber pieces, eh? What are these, side skirts? Damn. Yeah, that's gonna look, whoa, it's gonna be that deep too, eh? Yeah, that's gonna look hard. And you got your BBS rims, what? Damn, man, this car's gonna be fully set, yo. Bro, this Lexus is hard, man. I love this Lexus.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Why is it squeaking again? This one's ripped.
This one's ripped too. Right here. Right here.
And that one's broken. It's just done. Let me get the next one.
You have to take the core back? Those one I think really cheap one.
Yeah, most likely. I didn't buy that one, so I don't know. Like the old mechanic bought it, and that's why I would have got my warranty.
Remember we did the other side?
Yeah, but this is dormant. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's probably like some certified type shit.
Yeah, but remember we did the other side too, right?
Yeah.
Remember this thing came out when we changed the ball joint?
Yeah. When you hammered it.
Yeah. Look, this one. This thing's not gonna come out. These are original. These are aftermarket. They come with these things.
Yeah, I didn't buy none of those parts. He bought it quickly, so I didn't see anything about.
This one used.
Yeah?
Yeah, we used.
That's fucked up, man. Yeah. So I like buying all my parts
That's why
myself.
I like my buying parts from you too.
That's why I like buying my shit myself, because I
Only
know.
the body parts, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. But
Other than that, oh, wow.
yeah, I like knowing what I have on my shit. Well, I'm about to get this next control arm put in, and I'll show you guys how it is after. Alright, so I got it complete. As you can see right there, I got a new control arm in. Probably see through the tire. I got new inner tire rod, new ball joint, all that. What I have to do is I just have to get an alignment now, and I'm good. What I'm doing quickly is just I took off and put on my mirror because there was a little crack in it, so I fixed it, and I'm about to put it on in a second. There's a couple more things I'll be doing to this probably in the next 2 weeks. If anything, I'll be throwing on my rims, my summer rims, or I'll be dropping out my coilovers. I didn't really want to drop down my coilovers on these rims, but I might just do it to see how it looks and have just a little perspective of how it would look, and then drop it on the next rims, and then it'll look way more harder. So I don't know. I'm still debating on what I'm gonna do, but you guys stay tuned to see how it's gonna look. I still gotta throw on my lip kit. My lip kit needs to be put on. My bumper needs to be sprayed because it's chipping mad hard. Like, I don't like this stuff at all. Everything looks fine but my my front bumper. So a couple more things I'll be doing to this car for the summer, and it'll look perfect. One thing I was thinking about doing, and if I can find a person that can do it for a neat price, I will consider doing it. But I want the halos. The halos I think will look amazing with my car, but I'm not trying to do it myself, and I'm not really trying to pay $1,000 for aftermarket or something like that. I'd rather just leave it like that. I don't mind my headlights, but if I could change them, I might change them. So if I can find someone that can do it in Canada or Toronto that can do it for a neat price, I'll get the halos done. Holy, I can't stop admiring this guy's car. This guy is going crazy with all this carbon fiber. If you ever got those carbon fiber and even put those on, Rabbi snapping with the carbon fiber, man. Holy, this car is looking hard. So as you see, what's going on right now is we're just chilling. I did a couple things to my car. Just put that mirror back on. I did my control arm, a bunch of stuff to the maintenance. Car needs a clean, a wash, a nice wash. I haven't washed her in a week since I haven't drove her. But just cleaned inside since I was waiting here. Clean inside. Just here chilling right now. But that might be the end for this video. So let me know what you guys think. I'm about to be doing some more maintenance. Not maintenance, I'm gonna be doing some mods, not mods, but like, I don't even know how to say it. I'm gonna be putting my coilovers on, so whatever you guys think that is, let me know how you guys feel. Thanks for watching again. I appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, and drop that sub notification. Take care, UA Squad.